Yan guys, mag-oil change tayo ngayon. Warmed up na, kaya tara na, punta na tayo sa AutoZone. Yan guys, on the way na tayo sa AutoZone. Kita natin si Blunt Daddy aka Robin. Super rin siya guys, kung hindi maalala yung silver na WRX. Pero ayan, babalik na lang ako. Nandun na tayo. Joke lang, dito pala kami sa meet up sa Handel's Coffee Bar. And this si Mr. Robin. Damn. Teka, baba tayo guys. Ayan, Mr. Robin. Welcome back. Hello ka nga. So be looking clean. Yes sir.
Needs a wash.
Yan, dalawa mag-oil change yan. Yan guys, kakakuha lang namin ng kape natin. Goods na tayo to go. Punta na tayo AutoZone kami ni Mr. Robin. Bibili kami ng oil. Tapos yung iba magmi-meet up na lang siguro sa bahay. Hey guys, dito na kami sa AutoZone. Diba? Dito na tayo sa AutoZone. Yun o. Thumbnail. Yan, thumbnail. Bibili lang kami ng oil guys. Got the oil boys, 5W30. Is that the right oil for mine though? I forgot.
I don't know. I use 5W30.
Okay guys, oil secured. Pauwi namin sa bahay, sisimulan na namin. Yung nasa work pa yung iba yung mga ibang tropa natin busy pa. Kaya kami muna ni Mr. Robin. Tigil natin, gagawa tayo ng content dyan. Yan ho guys, nakuha na natin mga oil. Tapos mag-oil change na tayo. Oil change natin Red Rocket guys, finally. Diba? May jack mo na. Hindi, ano na namin yun guys. Jack lang namin. Tapos papakita natin yung process. You know.
10 reps.
You know. Bang bang, one done. Okay guys, mission success. Naka-jack na. Yan. Ready to go. Well, change lang namin to.
Oh, that's cool.
So hello guys. Right now he's touching up on his car. Kind of weird.
I keep getting cut.
Bro, it's 600 wheel, missing lug nuts.
Oh shit guys.
So if you guys can donate in our GoFundMe.
Nah, that's weight reduction.
Oh, that's weight reduction. Never mind. Don't donate. So hello guys. Today we're changing his oil. Yeah. This is the car. It's a WRX STD. You're very fast. You're very fast? Yeah. You wanna kiss? We just finished kissing. You guys ready? This is the POV.
I got the screw.
Where are you?
I'm here. I got the
Flash,
screw.
flash him.
Can I get a dirty microfiber please? We need to stop the bleeding, Robin.
Can you catch it?
Yeah.
Just let's tighten that ass.
It's on your ass. It's all. That's just gonna smell.
I just took a shit and I don't wipe.
Okay guys, mali na naman oil nakuha natin.
Yeah, might as well.
Bibili kami ng oil.
Second time.
Pero tapos nalalagay na lang ng oil. Si gagot eh, bobot eh.
Ay na mo, kakarating ko lang dito.
Joke lang.
Say
Pangilan beses nakuha ng oil to?
Pangatlo na. Hey, we're back on the run again.
Ano pa kung ano eh? Yung ano? Yung parang stand mo?
Hindi mo kailangan?
No, like yung... Yeah, hindi ko kailangan stand.
Hindi.
Teka, uwi ko na muna to. Ano sa'yo? So this is...
Sarap ba?
Mas masarap to.
NASCAR naman eh.
Yan, nakababa na.
Ababa na po. Guys, lalagyan na ng oil after 3 hours. Kung mabubuksan. You know. DJ, palagay naman oh. 5 quarts
Ilan?
ng 10W40.
Doon sa loob.
Okay guys, here goes nothing.
Uy!
Yun ang linis oh. 5 quarts.
Po.
Hindi pa tapos.
Hindi, kinuha ko yung oil. Anak sir!
Si Bossing,
Eh, yung main manager ko, nag-held na ng traffic o kanina pa tayo dapat sarado.
namin ang kotse naghihintay.
Yan na guys, tapos na yung red rocket natin doon. Say hi PJ.
Hi!
Ito naman gagawin natin, Mr. Robin. Ito yung, oil change pati si Mr. Jorel. R6 niya.
Oil.
Oil change. Maintenance. Yan sa'yo.
Huh? Nagkukulat leak.
Yan na po. May little complication po si Mr. Jorel pero nasolve na rin.
Nasolve na ba?
Ay, hindi pa ba? Kanina pa to nagja-jack guys actually. Hindi, patapos na rin yan. May quick release kasi siya yung hindi na siya bolt. Switch na siya. Yan, Mr. Jorel's back. Bumalik lang siya kasi kinuha ng kailangan ng big power tools. Hindi kaya ng kamay. You know. Ayun, kakatapos na lang mag-jack. Nakatawan na ito. Lalagay niya na yung oils guys. Hey.
Paunahan.
Paunahan daw guys.
Hindi, joke lang.
Yun. Nakuha niya na rin.
Let's drain it.
Nakuha niya. Drain na po.
Yan na.
Perfect. Malinis. Uy, kawawa pa wata. Pa ganyan. Yan. Ano?
Wrap it up din.
Pinalagyan niya ng ano niya, pinadaanan niya ng bagong oil para mag-fully drain yung
Anong mahirap-hirap?
oil pan niya.
Tapos, I need this. Pangalan ng oil filter.
Yun. Yun na nga. May accident tayo dito, boys. Yun na, boom. Tapos na rin si Mr. Robin. Lalagyan na lang ng oil. Boom. Para diba, para magbibirhouse lang siya, oh. Update. Tapos na siya mag-drain.
Yung oil filter na lang.
Filter naman.
Check.
One down. One more to go. Tapos na rin ito, lalagyan na ng oil ito eh.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Ano yung nahulog mo?
Content yan.
Ano yung nahulog mo? Ayun! Swerte
Sorry,
ka.
Hindi nga pang kotse yun.
2.9
Hey, new oil. You know, another one down. Completed.
Yan lang.
Very good, very good. Tapos na ito, gym naman.